morning from Nassau.
Morning,
it is about 8:30-ish, maybe even earlier. We just got off the boat. We wanted to get this kind of done with. We don't have a huge expectation of having a lot to do here. So we're just gonna kind of come off the boat, explore the island a little bit, and then head back early. So hopefully we can get some like swim time in or just get more activities in.
Right as soon as you exit the port, you will come into a little shopping plaza that will have lots of little shops and cafes and even a nail salon. There are beaches you can take a taxi to visit, and there are also excursions that you can prepay for or book on the island once you're here. David and I decided not to do either of those and just kind of wander around by ourselves.
So it's currently Sunday and we got off the ship, and when we got off the ship we were told that a lot of the stores would open until 9:30. So we're just kind of wandering around right now until then, but most of the shops and things are closed as of right now.
With how quiet the town was and the fact that we had a lot of video equipment with us, we did kind of keep an eye out and keep a lookout behind our back. We wanted to come off the boat early to beat the heat, but we would not advise that because you're just kind of wandering the island by yourself. The famous straw market was open and there were some vendors already there ready to sell. But for the most part, a lot of the booths were covered and closed. So we decided that we were not going to visit the straw market on this trip. The mom and pop gift shops are more or less the same. They all pretty much sell the same merch. They also do have mainstream stores like Effie, Pandora, and Starbucks. So pretty much Nassau was what we expected. Lots of shops, lots of solicitors. We are going back to the ship because it is very hot and because there's no shops open and because there's not a whole lot to do or see over here. As the day got later, there were more and more solicitors that came out. You can kind of see a horde of them all congregated right at the entry and exit point of the harbor. As we walked around just the little block that we chose to explore, we probably were approached by solicitors, I would say once every 4 to 6 minutes. So quite a few times. It was definitely bothersome and probably the main thing that we didn't like about Nassau.
So we were outside on the street. One of the locals said that on Sundays a lot of the shops are closed. It is currently Sunday and there are a lot of shops closed.
And all of the soliciting that we've gotten today, which was a lot in the short hour and 15 minutes that we've been here. The cheapest tour that we found is like a taxi tour, and that was $100. And then everything else is like $80 to $130 per person. So very expensive to do the excursions here from the solicitors at the port. David and I are gonna pay that much. That would be like $300 for us to do something that we're not even sure we're gonna enjoy. And yeah, David doesn't want to swim with pigs. So yeah, we're gonna go back on board. It's really hot also. It's early. I wanted to get off the boat early to beat the heat, but it's already hot. It's already very tropical, very humid, very hot. So we're just gonna go back on board now and enjoy the day in the cool and see what Disney has to offer us today. Now we're back on the boat and we're gonna head over to Cabanas to check out the breakfast.
Oatmeal, cream of wheat,
And grits. They're in the back.
grits, and brown sugar. They have ginger chicken congee, plain congee, fried rice, and then they have tofu, bell peppers, chili flakes, cilantro, and scallions. And they have miso soup. So they have bacon and sausage. And then they have creamy scrambled eggs, hash browns, tomatoes, and mushrooms. You have white crusty roll, whole wheat roll, and soft roll, and butter. They have corned beef hash and roasted red sweet potatoes. And then they have mushroom eggs benedict, normal eggs benedict, and then they have the hollandaise sauce. And they have French toast, ham and, well, it says ham and cheese croissant, but it's biscuits and gravy. Mickey waffles and blueberry pancakes. And they have buttermilk pancakes and chocolate chip pancakes. They have chocolate sauce, whipped cream, and orange compote, and strawberry compote. And then they have hash browns, steamed asparagus, grilled tomato, and baked bean.
With pork?
With pork, it says. And then they have steak and eggs, and then they have a Denver omelet. Here they have chocolate donuts, blueberry muffins, chocolate chip muffins, oatmeal muffins, walnut pecan muffins, and glazed donuts. Vanilla pound cake, chocolate croissant, cinnamon rolls, mini raspberry swirls, pecan Danish, and chocolate pound cake, multi-grain croissant, and a plain croissant. And then they have like a little omelet station. And then you have a bunch of different bagels and English muffins and toast. Jam. So peanut butter, orange marmalade, grape jelly, and strawberry jam and butter. Strawberry smoothie, mango smoothie, granola yogurt, oat and berry, and Malusi banana flaxseed. And then you have a bunch of things here to make like a charcuterie board. And then they have watermelon, pineapple, cantaloupe, honeydew, mango, mandarin, and grapefruit. And then you have a bunch of things over here to fix up your bagels, and then they also have cereal over here as well, and milk in the back. Plate number one, I got corned beef hash, beans, scrambled eggs, little potatoes, hash browns, bacon, fried rice, and sausage.
And then we got some Mickey waffles, French toast, pineapple that has syrup in it, and then eggs Benedict. This is a mango smoothie. And then I got a yogurt parfait.
So this morning, Emily and I walked over here all the way to where that frog shop is right there in the middle. We walked all of that and then we turned left. And it looks like there is a beach, but it's way over there in the distance. So it looks like it's a pretty far walk. So I thought the breakfast at the Cabanas was pretty sad. It really wasn't that great. I was a little disappointed with the quality of the food. It was just very basic, cheap breakfast food. Overall, I was not the biggest fan of the breakfast.
What was your
buffet.
favorite thing at the breakfast?
The hash browns.
Mine as well.
Now we're gonna head inside for some trivia.
False. Gaston eats a healthy 6 dozen eggs every single day. Which Disney villain is obsessed with fashion and fur? What game was Kronk playing when he and Yzma were in the jungle searching for Cusco? Is it A, jump rope, B, count the rubber trees, C, leapfrog, or D, exotic birthday?
So the drink of the day today is the Cool Breeze. This is the drink of the day for the 3rd day of the ship.
So we came back on the boat and we didn't do much. We came, had a little lunch, and then we came to the room and we slept for like 3 hours. So we had a 3-hour nap. We watched a little bit of Guardians of the Galaxy. They have a pretty good catalog of movies here. So if you want to just come back to your cabin and chill, you can do that. Now we're gonna get ready for dinner at Lumiere's.
This is olives in olive oil with the bread service. And we also have a very nice view of the ocean. So for our starters, I ordered the escargot.
And I ordered the fried brie. And then I love French onion soup, so I had to order a little bowl of it. Hopefully it's good. I'm gonna crack it so it starts to cool. Ooh. It looks good. And then I ordered the Bosch pear salad. This pear is soaked in red wine, so it looks like beets. And then some arugula on the bottom. I ordered the lobster pasta.
Thank you.
And the specialty drinks are an additional cost. So everything on here you're gonna be charged for.
For dessert, I ordered the strawberry shortcake sundae.
And I ordered the creme brulee. And then we also ordered the opera chocolate gâteau, something.
Yep, the chocolate cake.
The chocolate cake.
So we just came back to the room, and our little stuffed animal for tonight is a little dinosaur. It's like a little bronchiosaurus. And then we also got little chocolates as well. So very cute.
So cute. Look at him. We got to name him.
We're gonna name the bronchiosaurus.
So cute.
We're gonna name him. We wanna name him Joe.
That was a dinosaur. He made dinosaur noises.
Oh, I'm good. I was like, Peach isn't here. Where's that burping coming from?
That's cute.
We just got done
What
with
did you
dinner.
think of dinner?
Oh, I thought it was okay. I didn't really like my escargot. The steak, I think, was the best food I've had on the ship so far in terms of the dining locations. So that was really good. We will be going back there again tomorrow night. They said that it will have a different menu because tomorrow is pirate night, so they'll have pirate menu, I guess, for tomorrow.
Yeah. I was disappointed with my salad. I was so excited for my salad because all the salads have been so good. My salad today was My pasta was okay. I was hoping for more lobster. I only got like a little piece like that and then little pieces. Not a fan of the food there. I mean, it was okay, but I definitely had higher expectations. But anyway, we're gonna go see their Broadway show now. It's like their original story Broadway show, and then we're gonna see.
Yeah, it's called Twice Charmed.
Yeah, it's called Twice Charmed. We're gonna go see Twice Charmed, which we can film, but we'll let you know how it is. And then we're gonna go see a magic show after that, so should be a fun night. Let's go.
Remind me of your first name, Queen? Christy, with a C or a K? K, I thought so. Now, the truth of the matter is, I could have another 4 clubs just like this somewhere in the day. So what I want to do is get to know you a little bit better. So what I'll do is I'll ask you a couple of questions. I'll place the answers that you give me right here on the floor. That way everyone in the room knows this is the only card like it on the entire planet. I'll start with something small. Christy, do you happen to have a middle name?
Alrighty guys, so that's going to be it for day number 3. Twice Charmed was really good. We both really enjoyed the show and the story. It was an original story about Cinderella if her stepmother and stepsisters had a fairy godfather, and them trying to change Cinderella's story, which was really good, really exciting. After that, we went down to Fathoms and we saw a magician do some tricks. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you stay tuned to tomorrow's video to check out all the stuff we get to do at Lighthouse Point. And we'll see you guys in the next one.